Need to remove a folder from Windows using PowerShell. It's quick, but there's one important thing to know. PowerShell can permanently delete items, so you should always verify the folder path before running a removal command. In this guide, I'll show you the safe way to do it. First, open PowerShell from the Start menu, search for PowerShell and select it. You normally don't need administrator access to delete folders you own. If the folder is protected or located somewhere that requires elevated permissions, you may need to run PowerShell as administrator. Before deleting anything, check your current location with Get Location, then use Get Child Item or simply dir to view the contents of that location. This helps you confirm you're working in the correct folder before you remove anything. To delete a folder, use the Remove Item command followed by the folder path or name. For example, Remove Item MyFolder removes a folder named MyFolder from the current location. If the folder is empty, this is all you need, so always double-check the name before pressing Enter. If the folder contains files or other folders, you'll need the recurse parameter. For example, Remove Item MyFolder recurse tells PowerShell to remove the folder and everything inside it. This can delete multiple files at once, so use it only when you're completely sure about the target. You can also specify the complete path instead of relying on your current location. For example, use Remove Item followed by a full folder path. If the path contains spaces, enclose it in quotation marks. This makes your command more precise and helps avoid accidentally targeting the wrong folder. After running the command, use Get Child Item again to check the directory. If the folder no longer appears, the deletion was successful. You can also verify the result in File Explorer. Taking this extra second to confirm the result is a good habit. And that's how to delete folders with PowerShell. Remember Remove Item for the basic command, and recurse when you intentionally need to remove a folder and everything inside it. Always verify the path first, because deletion can be permanent. Stay careful and you'll be good to go.